Once again, welcome back to Yogi's Homestyle Cooking. Today's recipe, potato samosa roll. So let's begin with the recipe.
I have taken 2 cups of refined flour. Then I'm going to add salt. Then 1 teaspoon of carom seed. Crush it into your palm. Then I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil. Mix them all together nicely. While making samosa dough, always use chilled water. So I'm going to use chilled water over here as per required. Don't put too much water. We have to make our dough tough. I'm going to apply a little bit of vegetable cooking oil. Work out your dough nicely. Then I'm going to brush a little bit of oil on dough and let it rest for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I have taken 3 big grated boiled potatoes. I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Then I'm going to add some chopped chilies. Then followed by powder spices. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then salt as per your taste. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then half cup of cilantro, coriander. Then mix them well together. Bring all the ingredients together nicely. Then you can see how all the ingredients have come together. Then I'm going to apply a little bit vegetable cooking oil on my palm. Then I'm going to make cylindrical shape potato batter. Somewhat like this. Then let's begin with another process. I've taken small ball of dough. Then I'm going to roll it from rolling pin. Roll it nice and thin, all the edges. Don't worry about the shape. Then I'm going to cut both the side. Then I'm going to place a potato filling on top of the dough. Then again I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to give a shape. You can see how rectangular shape I have given. Then I'm going to roll it. Don't roll it completely. Leave little bit space. While doing this process, I've heated up the oil as well. Now we have to stick it from refined flour slurry. Apply it nicely. Roll it and stick it properly. Make sure you press the edges. Our oil has been heated perfectly. Now time to drop one by one potato samosa roll into it. Fry them until it's nice and golden brown. If you wanted, you can make samosa roll little more and you can freeze it for at least 1 week. You can see a potato samosa roll. It started changing color. I'm going to turn one by one and let it cook nice and crisp. Our potato samosa roll has been cooked perfectly. You can look at it. Time to serve. Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like my video, please do like, comment, subscribe, and please hit the bell icon. Until then, bye.